Hey there! Today I decided to film my process of drawing the single line drawing, which is a process where you don't lift your pen for the entire duration of the drawing. So it's a bit challenging, but it kind of makes you think out of the box, and I thought you might like to see it. I chose the Cape Weaver for this illustration because we have so many here and it's springtime in South Africa, and I just thought it was appropriate. So I hope you enjoy watching this drawing unfold. Now my drawing's finished. I have uploaded it to some products in my store. I'm going to have the link to my store below in the video box. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications when I upload new videos. And please hit the thumbs up button too if you like this video. Thanks for watching.